Rieke, these are your favourite things?
Yeah.
Number one, favourite musician? Sorry.
Favorite musician?
Band, artist?
I love Elle, a Belgian singer.
Wicked.
Yeah. You know her?
No,
Okay.
it's a she. It's a she. Okay. Is she famous?
She's famous in Belgium and Europe. Not that famous, but she has such a nice voice and she plays the guitar.
How do
I
you
love her.
spell her name so I can find her?
Selah. And the last name is Sue. Selah Sue.
Okay, wicked.
Yeah.
And is that for all time as well?
Yeah, I think so.
Really?
I've loved her for a long time.
Okay, give me the name of a song or album of hers that we should check out.
Let me see. Selah Sue. Reggae Muffin. That's a really nice song.
Ready Muffin?
Reggae Muffin.
Ragamuffin?
Reggae Muffin.
Like Jamaican ragga?
Yeah, reggae.
Ragamuffin.
Reggae, yeah, exactly.
Okay, I get it. Ragamuffin.
Reggae Muffin.
From Selah Sue.
Or Mummy as well.
Or Mummy?
Mummy.
These are album titles?
No, it's
Track
titles. Yeah.
Wicked. Favourite movie, now and of all time?
I love The Shawshank Redemption.
Ooh,
Yeah.
that's not recent, is it?
No, it's not recent, but
But that's your all-time favourite?
yeah, it is.
And that you might have seen recently?
Recently,
You haven't been to the cinema for 10 years?
oh yeah, I love going to the cinema
Okay.
actually. I love Inception, for example. I love all.
That's the second Inception we've had?
Yeah, yeah,
You like quite thoughtful films?
exactly. Yeah.
Wonderful, okay. Favourite TV show? Same thing.
TV show. Let me think. Favorite TV show? Can I say a series?
Yes, of course. If it's on TV. Oh, I always
okay.
my nose seems to scream when I get to this part of the thing.
I
So
love.
weird.
I'm addicted to House of Cards now on Netflix.
House of Cards.
Yeah.
Okay, with the disgraced Kevin Spacey.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
The
I know
harasser.
it's not the best, but
I know. What can you do? You didn't know.
The series is just good. So.
Did you know he was replaced in the All the Money in the World movie that Christopher Plummer just got award nominated for?
No.
They
He was
digitally.
replaced.
He had to. It cost. Actually, I also saw this that it cost Netflix his leaving the show, House of Cards, cost them $39 million so far.
So crazy.
He's that's it. He's
Why? Okay.
Yeah. Okay. We won't get
Why?
into that. But it also affected our industry, with both Bruce Weber, Mario Testino.
Yeah.
These are gods. These are the kings of kings in the fashion industry. They are the biggest. They couldn't get bigger. They had that level of success for so many years. My question is, I mean, obviously it's part and parcel. It's the nature of the beast. But they got paid more than any other people in the world in fashion. And they had such a great life. And they were so spoilt and indulged. Why did they have to abuse power? Is it always the case? Are these deep human issues that we're talking about, that power corrupts and absolute power corrupts absolutely?
Yeah, I think people get tempted when they're at this stage
Yeah.
of power and they just take advantage of it.
Yeah, that's so sad.
So, yeah,
Yeah, and Terry Richardson too. And they're gone.
they're gone.
Oh, they're gone. They can't come back.
Okay.
And I think that probably being banished, because it seems to me that a Testino would really, I mean, that he and Bruce, they want to be famous. They want to be loved. They want to be successful. Their drive has always been so almost desperate
Yeah.
that the punishment of banishment and therefore no longer being desired, they will suffer for sure.
Yeah, I'm sure about that.
Because it's not about the money anymore, is it?
No, it isn't.
That's the sign of the times. Yes. And it's about bloody time too, I think. Right? You haven't ever experienced any harassment on set?
No, I didn't.
Why would you?
Why would I? Yeah.
Well, no, you're so... Again, I think just you give off such a... You really... Well, I don't know. People are evil. Let's...
Yeah.
Can be.
Yeah,
All
can
right.
be.
That unfortunate state of affairs. So, okay, where were we? Favorite actor? Kevin Spacey.
No. It's Tom Hanks. I love him.
Of course.
He reminds me so much of my dad.
Does he?
Yeah, he looks really like, and
No.
I love Tom Hanks.
That's such a lovely thing to say,
Yeah.
that your father is a model of your film idol.
Yeah.
That's so fantastic.
I mean, he's a
Rieke.
great actor, and
He
he just
is.
reminds me of my dad. I mean,
And-
every time I see him,
And he
it's,
exudes until further notice.
yeah.
Until the Me Too movement exposes the darker
that's
side
not
of
gonna
Hanks.
happen.
It's not going to happen.
That's not gonna happen.
As I was going to say, he exudes his whole thing is a kind of do the right thingness about him. So
Yeah.
let's hope, for God's sake. We're not that cynical. Favorite actress?
I like Kate Winslet.
Yeah, Kate.
Yeah.
She's won a lot of awards. I
Yeah.
mean, she's been
Yeah.
well acknowledged.
Just like her personality as well. She
Yeah.
seems kind and
Yeah, and sort of up for it
yeah.
in that English way. Favorite model?
I'm a fan of Toni Garn, the German
Oh,
model.
yeah.
Yeah. I like her personality as well, and I met
Yeah.
her once.
You liked her?
I liked her, yeah.
Cool. Shout out to Tony Garm. And then favorite designer?
Favorite designer? I love Dries van Noten, the Belgian designer.
Again, flying the flag. This time for Belgium.
Yeah, exactly. I think he's a genius.
Yes.
Yeah.
I saw a documentary about him
Oh,
on
really?
TV the other day. It wasn't very compelling,
Okay.
but if you're into it, you'll really like it.
What's it called?
I don't know.
Okay.
It's on Netflix.
Oh, really?
Yeah, just go Google. You know,
I'm gonna watch that
Streets
today.
watch it today. Yeah.
Yeah.
Have you seen the September issue?
No.
Oh, that one you have to see.
Oh.
That is the greatest documentary ever made about fashion.
Wow. It's
Made in 1997 at the height of the boom. It was the biggest Vogue that they'd ever had in terms of advertising pages. And it documents the one season making of this particular September issue
Oh.
with Anna and all the players.
Mm-hmm.
Really incredible.
Oh, okay.
So that you have to see.
I'm watching too much House of Cards. I don't see any
Yeah, fuck
other.
the Dries one. Go with
Okay,
September issue.
I will.
Yeah.
I will. I promise.
Yeah, please. And where are we now? Okay, let's get into accessories: shoes, bags, sunglasses.
My favorite ones?
Yep.
Shoes. I mean, I got really nice shoes as well from Philip Lim. So those are my
He
favorites.
deserves for his kindness.
Bags. I love bags from Rebecca Minkoff.
Wicked. Is she German?
No, she's a
American.
designer, yeah. And then the sunglasses.
Yes.
Uh,
Do you wear them?
Prada, yeah.
They're good.
Yeah, they're the best.
Okay. Makeup, do you wear it? Probably not.
No.
Favorite perfume? Do you wear it? Probably not.
Yeah, I do. Hugo Boss, woman.
Again, you're so nationalist. Well, it's the German-Belgian thing. You speak German, so in my mind, you're German. You're as a German as you are Belgian. Okay, Hugo Boss. What's the name? What's the particular one?
Woman.
Woman. Not messing about.
No.
Favorite shop?
Favorite shop? It can be any.
Yes.
Mm,
Physical, and then we'll go online. Online, it's
Okay.
Amazon, isn't it?
I love Bimba and Lola. That's a Spanish brand.
Wicked.
They have like really crazy.
Bimba
Colourful.
and Lola. Is it
Bimba
a
and
physical
Lola.
store?
Yeah, it's a physical store.
In New York?
No, not in New York. It's all over Europe. It's a Spanish brand. And they...
You're loyal. You're so loyal.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Great.
Yeah.
That's good. Okay, Bimba and Lola.
Yeah. Bimba
All
and
right.
Lola.
Favorite online store you shop on Amazon?
No, I don't shop on Amazon.
Oh, you don't?
No. I shop sometimes on ASOS or
Okay.
Zalando. That's a German
Is
online
it?
shop, I think. Zalando.
Zalando. All right. I'll check that out. Never heard of that one.
Yeah.
That's good. Favorite city, place to live?
I'm in love with Santiago in Chile. It's like my second home, so
You know it well.
Yeah, I know it really well. And yeah, I just love the people there and the memories I have there, so that's why I really love
You
it.
romantic, you
Yeah.
online store. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, restaurant. It's going to be in Chile, isn't it? Santiago.
Yeah, it
go on
is.
then.
Okay, so it's very nice Peruvian restaurant in
Amazing.
Chile. It's called El Mar,
The sea.
the sea, and they have like really the best seafood and the best typical Peruvian dishes. But it's
It's your favorite.
it's my favorite. Yeah.
So along those lines, what's your favorite food meal and last meal that you have?
My favorite food meal is really something really simple. It's spaghetti bolognese.
Classic. What child doesn't eat that?
Yeah, and I mean it's also the memories because my dad always did
Made
it
it
for
for
us.
you.
So yeah, I love it. And last meal I had, or
No.
no, okay.
Okay, favorite holiday destination and the best hotel you might have stayed in on that holiday?
Costa Rica.
Yeah,
Yeah, they have beautiful like beaches and the nature is
amazing.
astonishing.
The birds and the
The
butterflies
birds,
alone.
like, you can see so much in Eden. Like
I want to go.
You have
I'm
to
going
go.
to go with my wife and Tallulah, and we're going to go
yeah,
bird
you
watching.
have to go there. Yeah, you can
Yeah.
see like really rare birds
Yeah,
that you can't see anywhere,
Anywhere
else
else.
in the world, and they're so beautiful, colorful, and
amazing. I'm going.
Yeah.
Favorite exercise? Yoga?
Yoga, I would say, and TRX. You know that with the bands and like your.
Is it like Pilates?
No,
No.
it's not Pilates.
It's more of a workout in a gym.
Exactly. It's called
TRX.
TRX. Yeah.
Good to know. Do you know what that stands for?
No, I don't actually.
It's one of those high-techy kind of
Yeah.
things
I'm sorry.
that's supposed to appeal, I guess, more to men. TRX, I'm going to TRX.
No, it's actually more for women.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
All right. Favorite animal pet?
I love dogs. I have a dog.
I'm a dog person.
Yeah.
You have one.
I have one.
What's the breed? What's his
A
name?
big one.
I like big dogs.
He's really tall, and he's a Belgian Shepherd, I think. Shepherd.
Oh, you're so
Chef.
attached.
I didn't choose him. That was my mom's.
Okay.
But
You
yeah.
inherited him?
No, I mean he's living with my family. And
Oh,
not
right.
with me.
But he was your dog.
Yeah, he was.
They bought
my
him
dog.
for you.
No, not for me.
Okay.
They bought him to replace me when I was in Costa Rica.
Your replacement, the new baby.
Because my mom was alone at this time, and I went away for 1 year. So
Does he
she
look like a
decided-
Belgian dog? You know those sort of funny houndy dog looking things?
Yeah, and he's such a good guy. He's like,
What's his name?
Tico.
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 I want to see a picture of. I'm gonna post a picture of Tico
Okay.
on your favorite things page.
Oh yeah.
And then lastly, but by no means leastly, your favorite social media site. Oh, you want it. You have to be. So what is the least
My favorite social
annoying?
media. I mean, of course, I spend a lot
Instagram.
of time in Instagram, but I don't like it that much. I don't like that you get addicted to it.
You don't like the fact that we're all addicted to it and
Yeah.
it's breaking down human relations in society
Yeah.
minute by minute, post by
Definitely.
post. It's
I mean, I like it to see what people are doing, what my friends are doing at home, but it's just you could just get addicted to it
and not do
it's-
anything else.
yeah.
And it's built that way and it's engineered that way.
Yeah.
And of course,
Yeah,
we're all
it's
they're
their goal.
clever.
Mm-hmm.
They're very clever. So were you ever on Snapchat
Yeah, but I don't use it anymore.
because
No.
of Instagram
Yeah.
stories?
Yeah.
Rika, those were your favourite things. You were delightful. You're so lovely. You are literally lovely. So thank you so much for coming, and we'll see you again soon.
Yeah, I hope so.
Thank you.
Thank
Take
you.
care. Bye, everyone. Bye.